How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone using Google Drive. This tutorial shows you how to move your photos between devices without losing quality. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Upload to open your gallery. At this point, browse through and select all the photos you want to transfer by tapping on each one. In the next step, tap Done at the top right corner to confirm your selection. Following this, tap Upload to start uploading all your selected photos to Google Drive. Once done, wait for the upload to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on how many photos you are transferring and your internet speed. From here, pick up your iPhone and open Google Drive on it. At this stage, make sure you are signed in with the exact same Google account that you used to upload the photos on your Android device. After this, navigate to the folder where your uploaded photos are stored. Finally, tap on any photo to view it or tap the three dots next to it and select Download to save it directly to your iPhone gallery. All photos will be available in their original quality with no compression. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer your photos from Android to iPhone, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.